Hey everyone, and welcome to Bassman Studio. Thank you all who have subscribed, and if you haven't, please subscribe. This is a short video just to talk about my recently self-published book, Cosmic Paintbrush, which is right here, Cosmic Paintbrush. So in this book, I have, which I've written and illustrated, is more about just the power of creation. It's more of a symbolic book about the power of creation and imagination. So all the illustrations were of course done by me and written by me, and all were done in original oil paintings. So it's a very easy read, and it's also the first book I've ever self-published. So I'm going to talk about the process and what inspired me to do it, and also how I did it, and where you can find it if you choose. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for tuning into Bassman Studio, and let's continue the video. So here's my book, Cosmic Paintbrush, and as you can see, it's fully illustrated with several double-page spreads, fully colored, and as I said, a very easy read, and it flows very beautifully. And here's the second double-page spread. So it was after making it as simple as I can. And here's another double-page spread. So when I started with a storyboard like this. So this is a great idea if you create a book to have a storyboard. You can see all the pages in front of you, and you can see if it flows, if the story flows very nicely from page to page. So you could just rough out your ideas. And then I started working on the finished paintings. This is one of them. This is one of the double-page spreads. It's an oil painting. And here's the second double-page spread. So what I was after was making it as colorful and expressive as possible. Because when people flip through a book, the image hits them very quickly, so you want it to be very powerful. And as with this painting, I was after the painterly effect. So these are very painterly, very loose, very expressive. So I was after creating like just a very exaggerated color and graphically powerful image when I was creating the book, which was a lot of fun to do. I very much enjoyed doing these paintings, all out of my imagination. And I was also after a graphic quality, so some of the paintings look almost like Art Deco in style. So I was after creating very strong visual effects, such as this one. This is one of the first illustrations in the book. Well, thank you all very much for watching, and I hope you learned something about my process and about the book. Remember, the links to where you can find this book are here in the description part of the video. So thanks again for everyone for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please leave any comments or any questions in the comment section on this video, and I'd be glad to answer. So thanks again, and have an amazing and creative day, everyone, and remember, don't forget to brush up your skills. See you next time.